are going to learn about industrial hygiene. Okay, does anyone know what is industrial hygiene? Yes?
I don't know, teacher.
It's okay, sit down. Okay, please pay attention, okay?
But teacher, I couldn't understand what you are saying.
Yes, teacher. Can you explain in a way that we can understand?
Actually, industrial hygiene includes some aspects, for example, ergonomic, chemical, and noise.
Noise? How is that related to industrial hygiene?
Okay, let's look at this.
How do I understand?
What? I can hear you. I'm so stressed. I cannot focus on my study anymore.
Yes, I think we have to go and meet the uncle about the noise.
Yeah, I agree with you. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Hello everyone, this is an example of noise related in industrial hygiene. Long-term exposure to noise, both wanted and unwanted sort, can lead into hearing loss for workers. Other than giving long-term effect to the workers, those who are staying nearby the construction site might be affected as well by the noise. From the scene depicted before, isn't it clear that the student can't even focus on what they are learning and the teachers can't teach while having to fight against the noise? And for the workers, they might be losing their hearing abilities slowly and surely.
That is certainly true. Actually, this noise issue can at least be addressed in several ways that can minimize the negative effects toward the workers and the people nearby. Firstly, design or use a facility that can minimize the noise.
Secondly, superiors can try to separate workers from noisy machinery as much as possible.
And last but not least is using devices such as earmuffs or earplugs to protect workers. This step is the easiest yet crucial help for the workers to prevent from having such negative effects.
Uncle, I think cannot hear you. Huh? I think we cannot hear you. So how? There's nothing we can do. This place was too noisy. Pity the uncle has to bear with the noise and us. Uncle! Oh, uncle! Never mind. Let's go back to our class and do our work. Guys, let's go. Alright.